Hi, I'm Travis Walker with the Law Offices of Travis R. Walker. Something we get asked often is, how is alimony calculated in Florida? Now, primarily, alimony is calculated on a need versus ability to pay basis. So the need of one party to receive the money and the ability to pay on the other side is the biggest factor. But other issues including, there's 9 other factors, including the duration of the marriage. The longer the marriage, the more likely alimony is on the table. The standard of living established during the marriage, so that is something that the court will take into account when they're awarding alimony. The age and physical and emotional condition of each party. Obviously, if there's younger individuals involved and they have the ability to take care of themselves more, that can play into it as well. The financial resources of each party, including the non-marital and marital assets and liabilities distributed to each. So if you have trust income or investment income, that does come into play with regards to alimony calculations and need versus ability to pay. The earning capacities, education levels, vocational skills, and employability of each of the parties. So the ability for each of the parties to go out and get a job and find work is a huge part of that. The contributions that each party made to the marriage, including children and services rendered in homemaking, childcare, education, and career building of the other party, that is taken into account by the courts as well. So that is another factor you have to be considerate of. The responsibilities each party will have for any minor children they have in common. So again, if there's minor children, there's more of a likelihood for alimony to be awarded. The tax treatment and consequences of both parties for any alimony award. There is some tax consequences back and forth that you have to be aware of, and any other factors necessary to do equity and justice between the parties. That's a pretty broad stroke right there, and that gives the court a wide discretion with regards to how to award alimony, which is why it's super important to be in front of it, make sure that you're tackling all of these factors and looking into ways to making sure that you're either maximizing or limiting the amount of alimony that you're trying to get, because ultimately, as that 9th factor particularly shows, is that any factor that the court wants to take into account, it can. So it's a wide discretion for the judge to make the decision of how much and if to award alimony. So if you have a question regarding alimony, please give us a call, 772-708-0952. I'm Travis Walker with the Law Office of Travis R. Walker. We're here to help you if you need some help with your alimony questions.